Hi class, this is the beginning of week 5. This week we're starting module 4, which focuses on learning disabilities and communication disorders. You have assignment 4 due this Friday, and also your initial post for the discussion board is due this Friday. There were several people on our first discussion who missed the deadline for the initial post, and I didn't count off points, but for this discussion, I will not accept initial posts past the deadline. So please get in your initial post by this Friday. I'm finishing up the grading for assignment 2. A couple of things I wanted to point out to you. The first one is when in assignment 2, activity 1, I was actually looking for you to create a brochure, as the directions said. So it should have looked like a brochure that you could actually print out and hand out to parents. Several of you just typed information rather than creating a brochure, and I didn't count off too terribly many points, but it is something that if there's an expectation to create a brochure or directions to create a brochure, you should actually do that. Another thing that I wanted to bring to your attention, when I'm grading assignments, I actually read what you wrote. So you should also read what you wrote. Please, please, please proofread your assignments before submitting them. I'm seeing a lot of grammatical errors and just problems with the writing mechanics. So it tells me that you might be rushing through your assignment, not going back to read it again prior to submitting. If you have trouble with your writing in general, and that's maybe a weakness for you, consider having somebody else read your assignment and help you edit it before submitting it. This is an upper level college course, so you are expected to know how to use commas, how to use punctuation, capitalization, all of those things correctly. We are far past that, so I will be counting off, and my grading will get a little bit more strict on that as we go through, because I do expect you to use good writing mechanics on your assignments. So please, please, please proofread. And that's all you have this week. Let me know if you have any questions, and have a great week.